If you want to delete files from OneDrive on your PC, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you the simple way to remove a file from OneDrive using File Explorer, and I'll also show you how to permanently delete it if you do not want it to stay in the OneDrive Recycle bin. This is useful if you want to free up space, clean up old files, or keep your cloud storage organized. If this tutorial helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open File Explorer on your PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows and E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left sidebar and click on OneDrive. This will take you into the folder that is synced with your OneDrive account. Now go to the folder that contains the file you want to delete. You can browse through your folders just like you would on your computer. When you find the file, click once to select it. If you want to delete more than one file, you can hold Ctrl and click each file, or use Shift to select a range of files. After selecting the file, press Delete on your keyboard or right-click the file and choose Delete from the menu. As soon as you do that, the file will be removed from the OneDrive folder on your PC. But here's the important part. That file usually does not disappear forever right away. Instead, it moves to the OneDrive Recycle bin online, and the change syncs across your devices. So if OneDrive is connected to your other computers or mobile devices, the deletion will update there too. If you only wanted to remove it from your PC but keep it in OneDrive, that is not how syncing works, so be careful before deleting it. Now, if you want to permanently remove the file, you need to open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can search for OneDrive online and sign in with the same Microsoft account you use on your PC. Once you are in OneDrive, find the recycle bin in the left sidebar. Open it, locate the file you deleted and select it. From there, you can click Delete again to remove it permanently, or choose Empty Recycle Bin if you want to clear everything at once. That final step is what makes sure the file is gone completely, instead of just sitting in the recycle bin waiting to be restored. If your goal is to clean up storage, this is the best way to do it. Just remember that deleting synced files from OneDrive affects every device connected to that account, so always double check before you press delete. If you ever delete something by mistake, you can usually restore it from the recycle bin before it is permanently removed. And that's it. Now you know how to delete files from OneDrive on your PC and how to permanently remove them when needed. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.